Hey everyone! In this special episode of the Integrated Data Viewer 2019 tutorial series, we're going to explore just a few of the bundles available to you and answer a few questions. We're going to look at a bundle designed to display precipitable water vapor to see what a bundle is. In general, a bundle is a saved IDV project. Bundles can be bound to specific times and places, or they can show real-time data for whatever area you want to look at. There's a huge selection available in the IDV catalog. The one we're looking for has a big colorful thumbnail image, so it's easier than the others to find. This little box here will pop up every time you open a bundle. For this video, we'll just be hitting OK every time, but I don't recommend telling the IDV not to show it to you again. There will be another video about bundles, and that will explain why this window can be extremely useful. Lots of windows will pop up and close when you open the bundle. Don't worry about these, just step away from the keyboard until the bundle is done loading. With this bundle, you'll notice that your time steps and mine are different. All time steps currently available from the source are used, and this source keeps its files updated. This is an example of a bundle that is not bound to a specific time. Sometimes you open a bundle and don't quite like how the data is displayed. In this radar bundle, for example, I don't want city names everywhere. I'm sure other people do. If you click the checkbox in the legend next to the locations display, all of the city labels are hidden. Not all bundles display all of their data in a single window. The cosmic satellite is great if you need sounding data in areas where balloons aren't released. The tracks, colored by temperature, are shown in the globe view window, but the SKUTs with most of the actual sounding information are drawn directly in the dashboard. This bundle is interactive, so you can change which profile you're looking at by clicking on the point at the bottom of the one you want to see. Bundles can also be great teaching tools for students of almost any level. The Nino La Nina comparison bundle is a great example of an interactive conceptual model. It has several view windows, but they're all labeled as El Nino, La Nina, or Normal. This makes it easy to figure out which window is supposed to represent what. The 3D surface in the large window shows where the water temperature crosses the 26 degrees Celsius line under normal conditions. Students can move the transect to compare the water temperatures at different longitude under each of the three regimes. Sometimes bundles can get a little bit complicated. One of these everything but the kitchen sink bundles is popular enough that it was made a default bundle. Its name starts with GFS heights and is really long, so I'm not going to say the whole thing. Even though there's only one view window, it can be really difficult to tell exactly what's going on here. It can even take a while to just scroll through the displays and look at them one by one. This display looks like it's supposed to have a cross-section, but the data isn't showing. That's because it's not marked visible. Now we can see it. Just like in the El Nino La Nina example, you can move the transects. But first, you have to find the right one to move. It might seem strange that such a visually confusing bundle is so popular. Bundles with lots of elements can be really useful if you simplify them. We can just remove the variables that we don't need, and let's go ahead and remove a lot of them. Now we're down to just relative vorticity and jet streaks, and this is much easier to understand. We can add variables back in one at a time as we need them. They're already loaded, which cuts out the steps of finding the data, setting up the display, and waiting for the computer to process everything. That's where these really complicated bundles are really powerful. Hopefully this video gave you a good overview of some of the uses of bundles. If you want to develop your own, I highly recommend watching the Advanced Bundles tutorial that will be posted after this one. If you have any questions, please visit our website at unidata.ucar.edu or email us at support-idv@unidata.ucar.edu.